Hi, good day guys, my name is Kenton Jackson and I am here to break the status quo. How I'm going to do that? I'm going to show you guys that exactly what the financial institutions, one of the things that they do to grow money is something that you can actually do for yourself. Now remember that you get a certain percentage after you put your money in these establishments. Now you may think that your money when it goes into these establishments that they just put it in a vault and they just lock it up and they wait until you come back to get it. No.
This is a simplified version of the way it works. People keep their money in banks and receive a small amount of interest. The bank takes this money and lends it out at much higher interest rates.
They actually invest your money, guys. They actually grow your money. Now, how do they do it? What they do, one of the things is they actually invest your money on one of the largest financial markets in the world. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this guy. His name is Albert Einstein. And what Albert Einstein basically said is compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. That's the financial institutions altogether. He who doesn't pays it. That's us. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do this, but I'm going to show you how you can calculate this on your own, right? So how we're going to get this done. Now guys, I am not a financial advisor. This information is only for educational purposes. So I'm basically doing educational outreach, right guys? So let's just say you have $100 where you may go out and line with the boys, or you may do some simple thing where it wouldn't really matter if you come back home and you don't have it. This is what we're going to use to put in something called a broker account and start growing it, guys. So you're going to try to grow your percentage 5% a day, right? Now this is something totally doable by the normal average person. All it takes is just being coachable and teachable, right? So 5% a day. Now the length of days is 180 days. That's what I'm going to do just for my test for you guys to see it, right? The daily interest rate is you're going to use back 100% of whatever this calculates to. So we know 5% of $100 will be $5. So we're not taking out the $5. We're actually going to get a 5% gain on $105. The method that we're going to use, we don't try to grow our money on the weekends. So no weekends, right? So I press calculate. Now guys, just to go back, this is our actual website. It's called compounddaily.com. So no smoke and mirrors. So I pressed calculate. Now on Monday, October 29th, after you got your first 5%, it would be $5. So now your account is up $105, right? Now we're going to get 5% of $105, in which would add up to $525. The total is now $110.25. We're going to get 5% of $110.25. That's going to be $551. And so on and so forth, guys. But every day you're still trying to get the same 5%. You're not going to do nothing, no rocket science, right guys? So let's go for 30 days. So on your 30th day, that day all you need is $20.58, right? That's all you need, right? Of $411. Your total now with that 5% is $432. Now remember guys, you started with risk-free money, eh? So we're going down now to the 60th day. I don't know if your guys' minds are blown as yet, but my mind was blown when I saw this because I didn't realize this could have been done so easy. All right? Let me go on the 59 day. On the 59 day, you need $48.72, right? Now, 100% of that is what you're reinvesting now, right? And all you want is 5% of that. 5% of that is $1,779.04, guys. In which 5% of that now will be $88.95, and your total on the 60th day would be $1,867.99. I don't know if you guys still don't find this amazing. This is doable, guys. 3 months. Now they say a lot of stuff could happen in 3 months. They say it could change your whole life actually in 3 months. This would give you a good understanding of what 3 months can do. So on your 89th day, your compounded wages you need from the day before would be $366.14. Now it's the same 5%, guys, right? In which now would add up to $7,688. You want 5% of this. 5% of that will be $384.44, in which would now add up to $8,073. Guys, this is powerful. So I'm not going to take it to 180 days. I don't think your minds can take it. I'm going to take it down to, let's just say The reason why I'm not going to go all the way down there, let's just say you're an indisciplined person. Every day you didn't come and get this. You decide you wanted to go and lime, or you wanted to go and drink, or whatsoever. So your 180 days cut down to 150 days. So you miss out, let's just say about 30 days, but let's just say that, right? On your 149th day, you needed $6,839.12. That would be your 5% of the balance the day before, right? In which would now leave you with $143,621.60. I don't know if you guys mind are blown. I don't mean 60 days and stop it, but I mean just 60 days. This is 149 days, right? So your total that you're looking for the next day, in which would be the Friday, 24th May 2019, would be $7,181.08. 100% of that is what you're reinvesting. You just need 5% of this figure. 5% of that figure would add up to $150,802.68. Guys, if you guys don't think this is powerful, I don't know what to tell you. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. How we're going to do this is simple. The largest liquid market happens every day, guys. And this market changed $5.3 trillion every single day. Right, guys? This happening no matter what you think, no matter if you believe me, no matter if your dog's sick, no matter if your child ain't go to school, no matter what happened, Barack Obama could go back to be the president. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who in power. This is going to happen because money has to change hands, guys. At least all the stuff that in your house right now, all the stuff in your possession, all your clothes, shoes, television sets, it come from overseas. We don't make those things here. And hence, that's why we have to actually exchange our currency for their currency, right? So that we can actually acquire those products. So it's going to change hands anyway, guys. The system that I use actually show you how to tap into that large financial turnover and make a profit. Small profit. I realize if $5.3 trillion changing hands, all I need is 5% of 5% of 5% of 5%. I could keep going down percentage, guys, and it will still be a lot of money. Right? So, guys, if you are interested in finding out what it is I do to grow my account, it's very, very simple. Just 5% every single day. I will leave some information here. You can get in contact with me. You can inbox me. You can message. Guys, I'm willing to teach. I'm willing to educate. And there are certain persons who keep hitting me up and saying, Kenton, what is this change we're seeing in you? We're seeing you look better, you dress nicer. Because, guys, I've discovered a way to earn money while I sleep. Literally, while I sleep. Guys, Warren Buffett, one of the richest guys in the world, he say if you don't find a way to earn while you sleep, you will work till you die. Guys, he was just the richest man in the world. Back to Bill Gates. I wouldn't even give a Bill Gates story. Bill Gates story going to even blow your mind even more. To the ones that may see this video and may think that, you know, that I don't need to take this seriously, I'm just going to say this to give you a wake-up call. I recently traveled to the United States, and this is something that dawned on me. The yellow cab drivers in America, they were actually comfortable. They had no competition. A lot of them actually planned their future based around that. It had persons who have mortgages and stuff that's going to last for the next 5 to 10 years. And they actually thought they were comfortable. They had no competition. Just like us in our jobs right now, not bashing jobs. A job is a good thing to have. Only having one job, one stream of income is dangerous. If you go to work Monday morning and your boss said they no longer need your services, you're going to have a problem. Just as the taxi drivers now have a problem because Uber, who they didn't realize was going to happen, came on the scene all of a sudden, and now they have a problem. So guys, if you see this opportunity, do not turn a blind eye. Seek other forms of income. Even if it's not this opportunity that I'm showing, start to think differently. Let me just give a little flash, because I know you guys, some of you can handle it. So on your 188th day, your 5% would be $31,036. Look at this total, guys, that you started with $100 with. $651,760. Guys, have a great and productive day. Later.